How to use gesture control on Insta360 X5. So first of all, scroll down to your control panel. Now swipe towards the left-hand side. Now you'll see gesture control option. Tap on it. Now turn on the toggle for gesture control. Now for video gesture, all you would have to do is raise your palm to start or finish recording. Also ensure your head remains in frame. You can take a photo by doing a peace sign in front of your camera. Also make sure your head remains in frame. So now if you open the camera, now you can see that the photo will be taken. Now if you raise your palm, the video will be start recording. Now just show your palm again. The video will be stop recording once you show your palm for some time. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.